What's up, Traders Edge? It's Mark Sebastian, your only option, and this is your look at the week ahead. Today, I'm going to preview what's going to go on the indexes, talk about a few of the earnings coming up, and give you the 5 stocks I am watching. So with that, let's dig in. All right, folks, if you're watching this, I'm already flying to Chicago. I want you to join me via our stream of our live conference in Chicago. You're going to get incredible, actionable ideas from some of the leaders in trading, people like Noel Smith, the Thompson brothers, Russell Rhodes. And on top of that, I'm going to have Olivia Vaz in town, Leisha Leslie, Andrew. Last year, Leisha and Vaz combined to win 9 out of their 10 trades that won the next day. I'm got to tell you, I was disappointed. I wanted them to do 10 out of 10. I'm expecting more of them this year. Let's dig in by looking at our levels. I talked about this in my last video. The S&P closed below the 21-day moving average for the first time since May 2nd. It's having its first real selling since April. This is the first time we've really seen any pullback. We have still not been below the 50-day moving average since April 15th, and I think we might test it. That's about $95 lower for the S&P 500. For the Qs, little closer to that 50-day. They're down at 470. I think we might touch that on Monday. Last time the Qs had this kind of selling, again, we're talking April. Now, with all the selling and with us still near all-time highs, there is an off chance that Monday could be really ugly. What would cause that? Well, that would be the Great 8, Apple, Amazon, Broadcom, Google, Meta, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and Tesla all down in the same day. Those 8 drop at the same time. The market is going to be ugly on Monday. Keep an eye on that. So we do have a lot of earnings coming up. Just looking at our Great 8, most of them are actually the following week. Amazon is not until the 1st. Apple's not until the 1st. Microsoft. So most of these are actually going to be the following week. But we do have some earnings. We have Ford earnings. General Electric is next week. We've got some steel names, some industrials. So there is a good group of earnings next week. Just be on the lookout. You can look those up in an earnings calendar. So what are the 5 stocks I'm going to watch? Well, let's start with those Great 8. All of those are important, but I got to tell you, the one I'm watching closest is Apple. Still the most valuable company in the world. It is performing the best out of all of those major names. It has an ugly day Monday. That's really going to be the precipice for everything to fall out of bed. Next up, NVIDIA. Really trying to test this 50-day. The last time NVIDIA was below the 50-day was April 19th. Breaks the 50. I mean, who knows? Maybe 110. We could fill the earnings gap, which would be about 104, 105. That is completely within the realm of possibilities. Of the earnings I'm watching, General Electric. This has been hot and has been really, since their earnings, kind of channeling. I'm looking for a breakout. I'm also watching oil names, CVX, Exxon. Look at the way these have taken off and then had a nice sell on Friday. Let's see if they can continue to rally. And then lastly, gold. Gold had a really strong run higher, gapped lower, was down on Friday. The 21-day is all the way down at 219. Let's see if we test that. And then, folks, keep an eye on the VIX. It looks like it wants to go backward. We're already in partial backwardation. That means the cash is trading above that August future. So we're in a market where kind of anything could happen. I would be expecting wild moves. My VIX light is yellow. So be on the lookout for that. All right, folks. Again, I hope to see you in Chicago. Join the live stream. The link is in this chat. If you're watching me on YouTube, please like and subscribe, leave a comment or the question, and I will get to it. All right, folks. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. I will see you in Chicago. Have a good one.